So I recently bought some like spotlight lights to go like here from Amazon. They came yesterday and I've got them on right now, but you can't really tell. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alice and I do makeup tutorials, reviews and things like that here on YouTube. So if that sounds like something you want to see, then carry on watching this video, and it would also mean a lot if you could subscribe to my channel. Oh my god, I'm actually going to get so annoyed at DHL. They're going, "We tried to deliver your parcel but no one's home." Babes, I've been here all day. All day. So in today's video I'm trying out the new BH Cosmetics Colourful Festival collection. I tried to film with this not yesterday but the day before, and I just wasn't in a good mood. Things weren't going right and I just was like, right, I'm just stopping this video and I'm going to try it again another day. So the brushes have been used and the palette has been used, but I cleaned them and I'm going to go in with a clear mind. It's sunny today, I'm going to get this going and just try my best. This is the PR box and it did come in here, but I've already taken it out, so yeah. It already has launched, so you can get it on the BH Cosmetics website right now. So this is the brush set. It's the Colour Festival 12-piece brush set with angled brush holder. Look at this colour. I am obsessed with it. I absolutely love this like neon yellow, a little bit greeny colour. So there are 12 brushes. At the moment it's 11% off. I'm not sure how long that's lasting for. It is $24 and it was $27, so not much difference, but it's 11% off right now. And then this is the palette. I absolutely love this packaging. It's so bright and obviously colourful. So this is what it looks like inside. Really, really pretty shades. I'm not sure what look I'm going to do, as I always don't know. This is usually $20, but it's 10% off, so it's $18 right now. Again, not sure how long that will last for. So I'm just going to get straight into it. I'm going to tell you the brushes that I use as I go along. But the first brush I'm using right now is the BH Cosmetics. Obviously it's BH Cosmetics. So the first brush I'm using right now is the number 5 brush. It's just a like big packing brush. And I'm just blending in my base with this. So I've already put my base on and blended it out with this, but I'm just blending out the creases right now. I'm going to go in with the shade Sequins first, which is this like, I don't know what you'd call that, like pinky purpley burgundy shade. And I'm taking this on the number 6 brush, which is quite a big brush. And I'm just packing this on the inner and outer corner because I'm going to do a halo eye today, and also connecting that through the crease. Like so. So packing on the shade, I like swirling quite a lot just because I want a lot of pigment, but it is nice and pigmented. The thing with this brush set I'm not like 100% happy with is that there's so many big blending brushes. I know a lot of people do use like big blending brushes, but I personally love smaller blending brushes. Like I could do a whole look with just like one small blending brush, like the Morphe M506 or M507. I love those brushes. So I might have to use a couple of brushes from my own collection just because I don't think this look will turn out how I want it to without them, which I'm sorry, but we shall see. I'll try and not to, but now I'm going to take this pencil brush, which is the number 11, and I'm going to take the shade Groove, which is like this corally colour, and I'm going to pack that a little bit on and a little bit above that first shade. So I am just going to take a Morphe M507 because the other brushes are just really big brushes and I just can't do a look with them, so I'm really sorry. I'm just going to blend out those edges of that pink. I'm going to take some more of the Groove shade though and blend that upwards. Now going back in with the first brush, which is the number 6 brush, and taking some more of Sequins and just blending that up a little bit more and kind of blending it into that Groove shade. Okay, so that is those done. I wish there were a few more matte shades because there's only 6, yeah. And you know me, I love a good matte. They're blending okay, like no, it's fine. They are a little bit dry, these shadows though. I think I'm going to cut my crease now. I'm going to use some of the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Illustrate. This is also what I prime my eyelids with, by the way, I forgot to say. And I'm going to do a halo eye. I'm going to take the brush with Sequins on and just pat out those edges. I'm using the brush number 7 and I'm going to take the shade Electronic. I was going to say electric then. Electronic, which is this really pretty like teal shimmery shade. I'm just going to put that on the outer and the inner part of the halo eye. It's quite a crumbly shadow. Okay, so I'm just like don't know what to do with this look. I just put a little bit more concealer on the inner and outer corners to like make it a bit more further out, and also covered up some of that shimmer shade that I put on because I want to go in with the shade Pop first, which is the like lilac-y shade, and I'm going to pack that on the inner and outer corner. I'm just going to spray my brush with some of the Morphe setting spray. I'm going to go in with the shade Candy, which is another shimmery shade. Put a few layers on, and now my eye like keeps wrinkling weirdly. This is so annoying. Okay, I'm not like 100% happy with this. I'm going to go off camera and kind of see what I can do with it. Probably won't do much more. And then I think I'll come back after I've done my base and everything and do my lower lash line. I'll be back with you in a second. It'll be probably a few hours for me, but a second for you, so... Okay, so I've done my foundation, concealer and powder, and now I want to go on to my lower lash line. So I'm just going to take the same shades. Sequins first, and then the shade Groove. So I ended up winging it out. I keep doing this recently. Sorry, but I kind of like this style, so I'm going to go with it. I'm going to take this brush, which is the number 12 brush. I'm so excited for this brush. This is definitely my favourite brush out of the whole thing. It's like a fan brush, but it's tiny. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that because I think it would be perfect for brow bone highlight. So I'm going to take the shade Disco. I don't want to take too much just because I don't want it to go down onto my eyeshadow. Oh my god, it is the perfect brush for a brow bone highlight. I always wanted one of these brushes. I'm going to take the shade Haze because I really want to put this on my inner corner. It's just a matte, really lime green shade. It's all on my nose. It's all on my nose. So I'm going to use the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the white shade, which is the shade Halo. Like wipe it off a lot. So dip in and then wipe off quite a lot. And then just like go in on my inner corner. I'm going to pass it out with my finger. I'm going to take the shade again and I'm going to just pack that on. Did it make much difference? I don't think so. I'm now going to actually put some of that base in my waterline. Be really careful if you do this. And I'm going to pack that Haze shade, which is the shade I put on my inner corner, on my waterline. Right, I'm going to go off camera, try and sort this eye out, this watering, annoying eye. Do my lashes, lipstick, and then come back to you. Back to you, back to you, back to you. So I had to overline my lips quite a lot, and now I look crazy. This look isn't my fave, honestly. I used the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in the shade Dance Party. I have tried a few of these liners before and I really, really liked them. Haven't used them in a while though. I use the white every now and again. But USBA really kindly sent me over these because they have now stocked them. They sent me over 3 of the UV shades, which I really wanted to try. I decided to put on some of these Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Gold Goddess on top to make it like a glittery liner. On my lips is the Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweetheart and the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Vintage. Oh, my lashes are Bold Face Spice It Up lashes, and yeah, this is the finished look. My opinion on the collection is the brushes are really good quality. I'm not happy with the different types of brushes in here. I think there's too many big brushes, big blending brushes. I really like this brush, it's probably my favourite. The face brushes, I have a million like that, so I've only used one. And then the palette is okay. I'm never normally that negative, but it's just not my favourite. I don't know if I'll pick this up again. It looks like it would be really, really pretty, but I just don't know what's wrong with it. Like the shimmers, like they seem to be really shimmery, but then when you put them on, they're not that shimmery. And then the mattes are like, okay, but there's only like 6 mattes. And I wish they had like a deeper pinky shade and a more lighter pinky shade as well. And then I wish this Haze shade, which I put on my inner corner and my waterline, was more vibrant. It's quite like subtle colour, if that makes sense. It's not like the most dramatic thing in the world. Obviously I've made it quite dramatic. It's about $1 per eyeshadow, so honestly, like, it's good. Thank you so much to BH Cosmetics for sending this out to me. This is just gifted. It's not sponsored or anything. They didn't ask me to make a video. My opinions are 100% honest obviously, because I just said I didn't really like it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I do lots of different makeup looks, of course. Let me know how you feel about this look and the palette and the brushes, if you would buy them or if you would not. Also, let me know if you like this background or you just want a white background or just like changing the colours up, let me know. Anyway, yeah, I'm rambling. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!